Presenting the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 5G. The phone has display of 7.6 inch and 6.2 inch. The phone also has main screen, more screen and display camera. No black dot, cover screen and breathtaking Infinity Flex display. It is powered by our toughest Samsung Galaxy. It also features fast charging support and dual SIM, wireless charging and built-in GPS. The delivery box contains handset and Type-C cable, SIM tray ejector and user manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Don't you wish your phone was fun like this?
Don't you wish your phone looked more like this?
Don't you wish your phone could flex like this?
Don't you wish your phone could fit in here? Don't you?